what I know Sly, you guys had some stuff working on, and we're gonna talk about that in the next hour. Copeland, I know you must have had your program set up because your book is about to be launched. The Mighty Diamonds is a crucial part of what I call the turning point as far as Jamaican music is concerned. But from the perspective of a musician, Sly in the first instance, and Copeland on the other hand, what is this loss? What is the impact how do you measure this impact of this loss to Jamaica's music?
Well, for me, right, I start off first because it impacts me so much in many different ways. First, it looks bad internationally because I've been getting calls from Africa, South America, all over the world. I didn't even realize some places I didn't know they were so popular in those places, and it looks bad because this is a national figure who just got his OD a few months ago for his contribution over the years. This is a music that actually propelled the downtrodden and those who would like to get a better way in life, because here's a model from the era, right, coming up and moving into different era and opening gates. So for the kind of tragedy that occurred, it's damaging not just to us as musicians, but to even the country and the image of the country. Because people are asking me, where's the love that you guys came with in the 70s, right? And it has changed, I mean, where's the love? These are icons that people used to treasure one time. You wouldn't look to even want breeze blow on them hard. And now it's like they are becomes the target of these kind of things. It's bad. It's terrible. It's a loss to the music. It's a loss to me personally, because as I said before, that they played a great role in my early stage of this music, especially in management, and right. We had some magnificent experience. Sometimes I have to laugh about it because I know Slyman sometimes don't want me to talk about this one, but
don't introduce that yet, Copeland, because we want to say we're almost up on a break. I just want to get Sly's own feedback as well.
Yeah,
in terms of, we have just a little under 2 minutes. But Sly, the loss, Copeland has given me his own assessment. But from your end, how do we measure this from a Jamaican standpoint?
So, we listened to him singing the song a while ago. It's a cover song, but I think Eugene Records song. I listened to Tabby Diamond.
Stoned Out of My Mind.
I said, boy, you're not going to hear this voice again. I mean, I was planning on, I said to myself, I said, Bonnie, I was saying, well, we are Sly, busting out Sly, never produce it yet, we never work with Sly, and we bust out together. And I was planning, I said, boy, one of these days, so really ever call Tabby and Judge and just sit down and make some record and things like that. So I know that chance is not there again, opportunity won't be there again. And for Jamaica music, going forward in this time, because they still hold the ground and singing what they sing, and never really bend and just keep the one roots rock thing and go. I mean, there's nobody else to care, because most of the people have gone into this thing called trap. And this thing on the radio station in Jamaica, everybody's playing this trap thing and forget the roots of the music. And till Billboard get fed up on us, so right now Afrobeat we're dealing with it.
That's a whole different ball game, Sly. And
come on to reggae. So this is where you start like people like Tabby is not here no more. So we say we're propelled from the next angle. I push through some new Jamaica is not here no more, and this is one of the golden voices of Jamaica.
All right. Well, we're up on a break, gentlemen. We're gonna take a quick one. We're gonna come back, and then Copeland, we're gonna look at some of those experiences that, as I say, Sly don't wanna talk about. But we're gonna bring them out. This is the purpose of having this kind of forum. And we come back with a couple more pieces of music.
Hi there. If you enjoyed that clip, go on over to our website at yawdmedia.com, where you can watch the entire broadcast at your leisure. And while you're there, why don't you check out our other reggae music features? And before you leave, pick up some of our Jamaican reggae merchandise, and hey, don't forget to tell your friends.
My name is Garth, otherwise known as Big G.
My name is Richie Zachford.